Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Washington Post subscription on iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you how to cancel Washington Post subscription on iPhone. We'll start by opening up your phone settings. Tap on settings right there. Then you'll arrive on this main screen right here. Make sure you tap where you see your name or where it says Apple ID suggest. Make sure you tap where it says your name right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen, look on the bottom where it says subscriptions. As you see right there, make sure you tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Then scroll down until you see where it says the Washington Post within activity right there. Make sure you tap on the Washington Post. Tap there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look down where it says cancel free trial. As you see right there, cancel free trial. Tap on that. Then you're gonna ask you confirm cancellation. Make sure you tap where it says confirm. And you'll be done like that. And that's how you cancel Washington Post subscription on iPhone. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.